How to handle a narcissist at court. The way that narcissists behave with regard to court action varies. If you're up against a lesser narcissist, invariably they either ignore the process or become involved for a short period of time before exploding and disengaging from it. They will show themselves to be what they are in front of court officials, lawyers, and invariably play into your hands. That's if, of course, they actually continue with the legal action. Mid-rangers are the ones that relish court action. It's part of the facade. They have invariably the resource and cognitive function to stay the course, and can appear to make your life very difficult. However, ultimately, they too can be dealt with. The graters are very difficult beasts to deal with in a court situation. However, being involved with one is extremely rare indeed, and in your situation, you're far more likely to have come across a lesser or mid-range narcissist with regard to court action. Whether it is the narcissist that has embarked in court action against you for the recovery of money, divorce proceedings, child access arrangements, the return of property, a defamation case, a breach of contract claim. It is important to understand how to deal with the narcissist at court, because you are not dealing with somebody like yourself, but utilises the court process in an entirely different way, and you need to understand that perspective. Similarly, if you are bringing court action against the narcissist, first of all, well done, because invariably it's the only way that you can compel the narcissist to do something by sanction of court order. But you still need to be prepared to understand the mentality of the narcissist and how the narcissist will behave with regard to you and the court process. It's important to ensure that you have access to this material to put your mind at rest, to guide you through the process, and most importantly of all, to prevent you from committing the amateur errors that many victims of narcissists commit. Whether the narcissist is a former partner, whether a former business associate, a neighbour, a supplier, the narcissist will crop up in many scenarios which lead to court action. A dispute about a boundary, a dispute about the payment for goods and services. Indeed, as you understand more about narcissism, you should start to realise that although you may have recognised them from your romantic entanglements and possibly familial, you will realise also that that very awkward client who can never be satisfied was a narcissist. That overbearing boss who caused you so many problems was a narcissist. We crop up in all areas and all fields, and invariably at some point, many people will find themselves in a scenario involved in court action with the narcissist. And therefore, this logic bulletin provides you with a considerable array of information about how you deal with the narcissist at a court hearing. Whether it is recovering money or property, a hearing about child arrangements, dealing with divorce, or a dispute over a boundary, there is a significant chance you'll end up in court at some point with a narcissist. This bulletin enables you to understand the huge amount of information required about attending the court hearing where a narcissist is involved, and includes the following: how the narcissist will behave in court, broken down between the different schools of narcissist; what the narcissist wants from the court hearing; how the narcissist will behave towards you at the court hearing; how the narcissist will use lieutenants and the coterie at a court hearing; what you can do to maximise your prospects of success at the court hearing; how you should handle a narcissist at the court hearing; how the narcissist will try to hoover you at this court hearing. Key considerations that you need to understand with regard to your lawyer, court officials and court experts. How you should conduct yourself in the court hearing. The standard manipulations that you can expect from the narcissist. A series of practical steps and best practice for you to use to not only succeed, but to avoid increased anxiety and upset with regard to the process. Plus, much, much more. This logic bulletin will save you thousands in legal fees, hours of wasted time, and reduce and remove your fear, anxiety and stress. It's the best investment you will ever make with regard to being involved with a narcissist at a court hearing. To obtain this insightful material, which is delivered by way of audio file, please use the link in the description box to the video and gain cost-effective, low-price information about how to handle the narcissist at court.